Hello po at welcome back dito po sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Ngayon po ay magbibigay po ako ng sample summative test about evaluating algebraic expression. Kagaya po ng activity na ito, evaluate the following algebraic expressions. So magbibigay po ako ng different algebraic expressions and papaliwanag ko po sa inyo paano po yan i-evaluate step by step. Okay, so let's start. Evaluate for a given value of the variable. Number 1 example, 3 plus x for x is equal to 5. So, when you say evaluate, ay isa-substitute po natin yung value ng variable sa expression. Okay, so let's try. Ang variable po dyan ay x lang po. Okay, so to simplify, kopyahin po natin isa-isa, 3. And then next ay plus. And then next ay x. So, sabi po niya, ipapalit natin yung value ng x. So, ang value ng x ay given, x is equal to 5. So, yung x magiging 5. And then, ipa-plus natin kasi 3 plus 5. So, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So, yan na po yung ating final answer. How about this number 2? 5b minus 2. 4b is equal to 4. Okay, so again, para di po tayo malito, step by step. Ano po? So, ang variable lang po natin dito ay b. Okay, so kopyahin muna natin yung 5 kasi nauuna siya, 5. And then, yung b, ang value po niya ay 4. Ano po? So, ipapalit natin sa b. So, 5b, meaning to say 5 times b. So, kapag pilit natin yung value ng b, magiging 5 times 4. Ano po? Then, next ay yung minus. And then, next ay yung 2. Okay, so 5 times 4 minus 2, yung m dash, mauna po yung multiplication. So, mag-multiply po muna tayo. So, 5 times 4 is equal to 20, then minus 2. And 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. So, yan na po yung ating final answer. Okay, so how about this number 3 example? A plus 6b. 4, a is equal to 7, and b is equal to 1 half. So, sa ating pong expression, dalawa po yung ating variable, a and b. Kaya, dalawa rin po yung given. Okay, so, let's try. Substitute po natin yung value ng a and b. Okay? Unahin po natin itong a. Ang value po niya ay a is equal to 7. So, ipalit po natin sa a ay 7. And then, next, step by step, kasunod po dun ay plus. And then, next ay yung 6. And then, ito po yung next variable, yung b. Ang b po ay 1 half. Since 6b means 6 times b, kaya 6 times yung value ng b na 1 half. Okay? So, to simplify, 7 plus 6 times 1 half, unahin natin yung times, ano po, yung 6 times 1 half. So, 7 plus, what is 6 times 1 half? Multiply lang po yung 6 sa numerator. So, 6 times 1 is 6. And then, i-divide natin dun sa denominator na 2. Okay, so divide po muna tayo bago tayo mag-plus. So, 7 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So, yan na po yung ating final answer. Okay, so bago ko po i-present yung example number 4, click lang po muna ang like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po sa aking channel at notification bell upang sa gayon ay ma-update ka sa iba pang video tutorial na aking i-upload sa mga susunod. Sa ngayon po ay gumagawa ako ng mga learning task, performance task at summative test sa mga susunod na lesson. Okay, so for number 4 example, x squared plus 3xy minus 7. For x is equal to negative 5 and y is equal to negative 3. So, dalawa po yung variable natin dyan, x and y. Kaya dalawa po yung given. Okay, so substitute po natin yung given. Unahin po natin, yung pinakauna ay x squared. So, x, ang value po ng x ay negative 5. So, lagay po natin negative 5. Pero, yung x ay may square. Kaya lalagyan po din po natin ng square. Okay? So, next po doon sa x squared ay ito po, plus. So, just copy plus. And then next, 3. So, number po yung 3. So, just copy 3. Okay, ito po. Next ay x variable. Again, ano po yung value ng x? X is equal to negative 5. Kaya, 3 times x. So, 3 times negative 5. And then, ito pa. value ng y ay y is equal to negative 3. So, lagay po natin negative 3. Okay, 3xy, kaya 3 times negative 5 times negative 3. Yun po yung value ng x and y. And then next po ay yung minus, and then next yung 7. Okay, so let's simplify. Ito po ay ma-exponent, yung first term natin, negative 5 square. So, i-simplify na po natin yan. What is negative 5 square? Negative 5 times negative 5. And that is positive 25. And then next doon ay plus. So, ito po ay multiplication. So, you multiply 3 times negative 5 times negative 3. And that is positive 45. Ano po? So, negative 5 times negative 3 is positive. Ano po? And then, multiply sa positive 3, kaya positive 45. Okay? Then, next ay minus 7. So, pwede na pong add muna and then subtract. So, 25 plus 45 ay 70, then minus 7. And 70 minus 7 is equal to 63. So, yan na po yung ating final answer. So, take note lang po sa ating pong pag-simplify, basta't po sundan yung MDAS or PMDAS. Okay, so how about this number 5 example? A squared plus B squared all over B minus 1. Okay, so in this case ay meron po tayong division. Ano po? Na operation. For A is equal to negative 1 and B is equal to 2. So again, just substitute the value of A and B. So ang first doon ay A squared. So ang A po ay negative 1, kaya negative 1 squared. Okay? Then next doon ay plus. And then next ay B squared. So ang B po ay 2, kaya 2 then square. Okay? Yan po yung numerator. Ito naman po yung denominator, kaya divide by B. So again, ang B po ay 2 and then minus 1. Okay, so lahat na po yan ay number. Simplify na po natin. Yung exponent muna. So, negative 1 square. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Plus, ito po, 2 square. Meaning to say, 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. And then, sa denominator, pwede na pong i-minus yan kasi walang exponent. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And then, add the numerator. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 over 1. Or, 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. So, ito po yung ating final answer. Okay, so how about this number 6 example? 5xj plus 4xy minus 6yj. For x is equal to 8, y is equal to negative 3, and z is equal to negative 1. Okay, so tatlo na po yung ating variables dito, x, y, z. So ito po yung ating first term, 5xz, meaning to say 5 times x times z. So substitute po natin, ang una po dun ay 5, yung value ng x ay 8, so times 8. And then yung value ng z ay negative 1, so times negative 1. Okay, ang next po dun ay plus 4xy. So 4. Then, multiply natin yung value ng x na 8. And then, yung y ay negative 3. So, times negative 3. And then, next, minus 6yz. So, 6 times, ang y ay negative 3. And then, z is negative 1. Okay, so tatlong terms po tayo. Ito po, multiply natin. Second term and third term. So, yung first term, 5 times 8 is 40. Times negative 1 is negative 40. Then plus, yung second term natin, 4 times 8 times negative 3 is equal to negative 96. Okay? Kasi may negative 3 doon na isa, kaya negative 96. And then next, minus 6 times negative 3 is negative 18 times negative 1 is positive 18. Okay? So, let's simplify. Ito, plus muna tayo. Negative 40 plus negative 96. So, again, if you add the same negative, just add the number and copy the sign. So, 40 plus 96 is 136. And then, lagyan po ng negative. So, negative 136 minus 18. So again, negative 136 minus 18. So pareho pong negative kasi minus 18 yan. Just add po. That is 154. And copy the sign negative. So the final answer is negative 154. Okay, so how about this number 7 example? Negative a, b squared minus 4ab plus 3b squared plus 20. For a is equal to 10 and b is equal to negative 2. Okay, so let's start. Substitute the given. So ito po yung ating first term, negative ab squared. So yung negative po muna, copy, negative. And then yung value ng a is 10. So lagay po natin 10, kaya negative 10. And then b, ang value ng b is negative 2. So times negative 2 and then may square yung b, kaya lagyan po natin ng square yung negative 2. Then next doon ay yung second term, 4ab. So copy 4, yung value ng a again ay 10. So 4 times 10 at yung b ay negative 2, so times negative 2. Then next, plus, third term po natin, 3b squared. So copy 3 and then yung b ay negative 2, so negative 2 and then square din kasi may square yung b. Then next, plus 20. Okay, so lahat na po yan ay numbers. Simplify na po natin. Ang unang pong simplify ay exponent then multiplication. So ito po yung first term natin. May exponent po yung negative 2. So simplify muna natin. So copy, negative 10. Negative 2 square is positive 4. Okay? Then next, minus. Yung second term natin. 4 times 10 is 40. Times negative 2 is negative 80. Then next, plus. Ito yung third term natin. May exponent. So, yung exponent muna. Copy 3. What is negative 2 square? That is positive 4. Okay? Then next, yung last, plus 20. Okay? Simplify. Multiplication natin itong first term natin. Negative 10 times 4 is negative 40. So, if you notice here, magkasunod po yung minus at negative. So, kapag yan po ay magkasunod, magiging plus po yan. Kaya plus 80. Then next, plus, ito po, 3 times 4 is 12 plus 20. If you notice, lahat na po yan ay plus. If you are going to add all, ang magiging sum po ay 72. And that is your final answer. Maraming salamat po sa panood. Kung meron po kayong katanungan sa lesson na ito ay comment lang po sa comment box at hintayin po ninyo yung aking reply. Be sure lang po na kayo po ay nag-like at nag-subscribe upang sa gayon kapag ako po ay nag-reply ay manonotify po kayo sa aking reply.